Do you know that acoustic is still the weak point in wooden construction nowadays? Why, will you ask? We have access to the Lignum catalog that provides a lot of information regarding acoustic performances of the existing building system, and we have also access of the last research results over the last 15 years. However, this is not enough. The building sector, especially in wood, require more and more innovative systems that use less material, less wood, and that are also using more green feeling materials, as the sustainability criteria is increasing drastically. And also this new system and new product have to fulfill the local requirements set by the authorities. And these requirements are getting higher and higher regarding acoustic comforts for people. But in order to be performant, all these materials and system has to be tested or evaluated in somehow. But since they are new, they cannot follow the normal estimation process mathematically. So more tests has to be performed in order to understand better what will happen. It's why we propose to create an acoustic lab that will work more like an innovation network between companies and between the different actors in the wooden sectors. The idea is to help them to develop new products and new systems together and in end. The idea is not to have a standard classical measurements laboratory like EMBA, but really to focus on the networking of people and knowledge through the platform. In order to do that, we will support them with our knowledge that represents 30 years of experience in the wooden industry with a lot of great success. It's why the idea of our project is to provide some support and to develop the building sector, to build more in wood in the future, and also to contribute to save the planet with what we have to offer, meaning our knowledge. And this knowledge, we would like to share it with you.